Site in with a sunny day across the Southland. Temperatures generally in the mid to the upper 70s from the valleys to the coast. Down there in Orange County and Anaheim this evening.
The Barker & Sons legacy began over 35 years ago, based on delivering exceptional customer service since the beginning. Our family atmosphere and continuous training provides a work environment that fosters the most professional plumbing, sewer, and drain technicians in our area. After many years of growth, Barker & Sons Plumbing and Rooter proudly stands as the highest rated plumbing company in Orange County. The men and women who represent Barker & Sons understand the importance of customer satisfaction. So when you need help solving plumbing problems in your home, whether you need a water heater, pipe leak detection, or sewer repair, the choice is simple. Contact Barker & Sons and experience true customer service.